YouTube video. Yeah. This is Friday with Cat and Dave.
Obviously, you can tell that this is very paper. Today we're gonna try snacks from Sabah. Weird snacks from Sabah. Weird to me.
It's not
really
weird. Okay, first we have this. This is called Lidah susu.
Which means direct translations is milk tongue.
Okay, do you want to go first?
The tongue is breaking apart.
Right.
I mean, I have like powder on my lips like doing cocaine. It's strange. It's nothing like I've ever tasted before.
It tastes like milk powder.
Days, you wanna explain like what's in this? Okay. So what are you gonna rate this out of 10? Maybe close up?
6.
6. I'll give this a 5.
It's coated with milk powder.
Like from babies?
Yeah. What do you mean from babies?
Sorry, Carl. You said yeah. Yeah, so
We will
it's-
milk powder for baby here,
yes.
not from baby.
So instead of feeding your babies, you can make this.
Yeah.
Can you only get this in Sabah?
Yeah. I've never seen it here though.
Yeah. And I think this whole packet is 10 ringgit. It's a good office snack. Smack?
Smack?
I feel this. It's a good office snack, and me and they smack snack.
What? Can't speak English. It says sweet.
And this is?
This is kerepek pisang. I think they have it here, but
Literal translation is banana
banana.
kerepek. What's kerepek in English?
Crackers? No.
Ah yes, banana crackers.
No.
Fried. What? Fried banana crackers.
Fried banana.
Fried
bananas.
banana.
Huh?
Banana. It's not banana. But something's weird about it.
It's 250. I think I've tasted nicer ones.
She brought this to work on Monday, and I couldn't eat it because we wanted to film this video, so
Yeah,
we waited
it's
so
not
long.
smack. No pad.
So now I need to eat this. I think I like the Lidah buaya. I mean
Lidah buaya.
Lidah anak. Or what?
Lidah anak.
What's it called?
Lidah susu, bro.
Susu.
Okay, so that is all from us. Stay tuned for our next video
Every Friday.
every Friday.
Subscribe.
Subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up.
Yes.
Bye!